This is a once-in-a-year event, and it's the biggest and best in the world. And you're going to see some wonderful demonstrations, and you're going to see some wonderful opportunities in the exhibitors area.
You learn more than just how the exercise is set up and how it runs.
The leaders and the people who are putting things together are educators.
You watch the coaches, you see how the coach moves, how he operates, where he stands.
Every single year I try to find a clinician or two that will impact my thinking.
You note the organization of the session.
Even to this day, I'm picking up stuff here that has transformed a lot of the stuff we're doing in training.
You note the progression of the session.
I've been doing it a long time, and I'm learning every day.
So those are the things that are key. Well, by being here at the convention, they're doing the best thing they can do. I remember as I started in coaching, I was just so thirsty for as many new ideas as I could possibly find, and new ways to think about the game, new ways to coach the game, new phrases to use as I was working with players and things like that.
To be able to get together with coaches is one of the most valuable things you can do.
Try to network.
I remember I used to try to just pick the brains of the guys who were my heroes.
Observe, watch, communicate, ask questions to the best coaches you know.
You pick up ideas.
Sometimes they'd say, I'm busy. Other times, yeah, I have time for you. I'll share my thoughts.
Get around the best.
You just chat over the game, you talk about soccer.
And if you don't know them, introduce yourself and get to know them.
That's all part of the development.
The amount of stuff that's put on the agenda, whether it's on-field sessions or whether it's classroom sessions or whatever, there's something for everybody here, for every level, and that you're always picking up really valuable bits of information.
One of the great things about the convention is the camaraderie.
A chance once a year for friends to get together.
We get together and, it's a family, it's a fraternity.
I'm looking forward to seeing my friends and colleagues.
It's the opportunity to see people you don't see maybe, but just once a year.
A lot of it is now getting to see my old buddies.
These environments, these educational platforms, I think are critical for all of us as we want to continue to become better and more effective coaches.
The coaching education that's provided by the NSCAA, I think, is tops in the world.
I never miss a convention. I've never missed one.
Swamped in a coaching environment where you just talk about soccer day in and day out.
I'm certainly looking forward to this year.
There's no substitute for it.
Be here every year.
You might not change your whole philosophy of coaching, but you're going to pick up detail, important detail.
I absolutely love this convention.
Everybody have a great convention.